Okay. All right. Now, as usual, we will start to create our website structure. So today, what you are going to build is a navigation menu for our website, where we can actually click it and lead it to another website or lead us to another page. Very simple navigation bar. Right. So we'll start HTML. So in between, we are going to code. And you see we have navigation menu whereby we have home, about, and you can click it and it will lead you to another page or another website. So that's what basically we are going to build this evening. So we will start with our website structure, our HTML tags, our head, our title tag, okay. So let's see site. Now we can divide our website into so many compartments. So here you see our body, okay. Maybe you'll bring some division, some dev, uh, for those who have watched the video, those who couldn't join last week, we learned about division, how to divide our website. So if not actually seen it, there's a video there, you can watch it, how to divide a website. Right. Now we have our website structure. We are going to add what we want to add, our navigation menu. So here in our body, we want to add something in our body. So maybe you will say, you give it a paragraph. See, welcome to our site. Okay. Then maybe we can give it a class which is going to be center there. Now this session is our body, so we are not going to touch this session. Now we are going to add our navigation menu or bar to our website. Just beneath the heading, you start UR. The UR stands for unordered list. Unordered list. So we are going to list our navigation, what we want it to be on our navigation menu. So when you visit our website, on the menu bar we have about us, contact us, and whatsoever we want to add here. So we are just going to list them, what we want to be on our navigation menu. So we will use UL on ordered list. Now you are seeing something here too. I did LI. Right. This is link. Link means when you click on this one, it should lead you to here. Or when you click on that one, it should lead you to here. So when you visit the website, they have about section. When you click on the about section, it actually leads you. It's a link. It actually leading you to another page or to another site. So here we are using link. So you say link. So maybe we will bring about let's say four four items on our menu bar. Now, this is what we are going to do. In each of the link, we are going to call whatever we want it behind our menu. So on our first item, so we will say a h a ref. Now maybe we will say, okay, let's leave it for here for now. Okay, now the meaning of this thing here is we are telling our browser that when a person clicks the thing we are coming to input here, it should link or it should lead the person to this path. So href, we are actually identifying a path. So since we don't have a path here, we can just use the hash. Now, in here, like in here is where we are going to type whatever item we want. So we are saying home. So home. Next one, the same thing. So maybe we can copy. Okay. Now we can change this to, let's say, about us. Contact us. Then we can also have services. Services, or better still, our services. Please, any question up to here? Okay, so here we are listing the items we want it to show on our bar. So the items we want it to show on our menu bar. Please, any question? Okay, so let's save our work and go and view. Okay, so let's go and view. Please save it .html. Then you go to where it's being saved. Then you double click to open. So I'm opening my okay. Now let me try and open my HTML dot. So the name I save it. Syntax HTML. Now let me show it. So you can see from my screen, it is listed there: home, about us, contact us, our services. Now it's been listed like this way because we've just listed them. We are now going to apply the CSS to make it a bar for us. So you can see the welcome to our site as our body. We are going to apply the CSS here. So let's go back to our code, please. Who wasn't able to get here? Let's go back to our code and add more features to it. Now we'll try and add the inline styling, the inline, where we will go to our head, then bring the style we want. So we will go there. Then open here. We will actually use text like CSS. Okay. Now, please take note here. We are going to reference everything we use in the HTML, else our styling won't take effect. So whatever you use here, we are going to call it here. So for example, we used on ordered list, we are going to call it. So UL, and with our curly brackets, then inside we are going to list. So say list, going to be a list style, and going to be a type. We want it to be type none. It shouldn't be listed as you've been seeing on my screen. It shouldn't be listed like that. So we've disabled that feature. Margin to should be 0. Should be very close. We'll add now overflow. Since we are going to show it in our at the top of, it shouldn't be overflowing. We should hide it. Now as a background color, we want to give background or a background color, so maybe we can see right now. We are done with the first one. We are moving to the second one. Take note, I said we are going to reference each of them. So the first one, we've referenced the UL, that's the list, the unordered list. The next one, we are going to reference the LI, that's the list or the link. Now the LI, what do we want to do? We want it to float on to the left. So they are going to be arranged on the bar for us, one after the other. Now, after that, we are going to also reference the A, so LIA. For the E, we will reference in addition to the first one. Now, how do we want it to display? This is CSS, so CSS will add how we want it to look like for us. So once you are doing yours, you can add a lot of things to it. So I want it to align in the center. The text should be in the center of the bar. Then padding. The right things should be somewhere around 16. It shouldn't be that much larger. Then let's say if we want to decorate our text, goes automatically to my pick. We say no. Now there's one thing too you need to do. Now you see when someone actually move the mouse cursor on our navigation bar, it should actually show something that is active. That's called hover. Hover. So you add a hover to it so that when you move the mouse cursor over it, it will actually indicate that the mouse cursor is running over it. It's called the hover. So what we will do with the hoover is the background color.
Okay.
That when is someone talking? Now we've added the list, the unordered list, the link, all to it. Now we are going to see how. So we will save it. We will save it and go to see our websites, how they are looking like right now. So there is the previous one before we added the styling. Let's refresh it. So you see, we've refreshed it. Then we've been able to bring our navigation to life. So now you can see our navigation perfectly: home, about us, contact us, services, perfectly brought to life here. Please, any question with that? We can also the center one. So maybe we can actually try to make our body center, to bring it at the center of. So we can see welcome to our site. Then we are having our navigation bar whereby we can hover around it. When you move your mouse cursor over it, it will be changing colors. Right, I'm going through for the last time. Then I'll leave you to go and practice it. Okay, now we are building a website with a navigation menu. So our various websites you visit, they all have navigation menu, most of them. Now you lay out your website structure. After that, you will come and list all what you want to. After that, you come and list all the items you want to show on your navigation bar, or on your navigation menu. So here I said I want home, about us, contact us, and our services. Listing, you use two items, which is unordered list. That's the outer one, unordered list. Then each of the list will be included or will be embedded in a link, a link. Now in the link, you also add where we reference, where when you click it, it will send it. So in fact, when I click home, where it should send it. Since we don't have a home page, that's why we've put the hash. If we had a home page, you would have put the home page here. The next time we will learn about that. So you embed it, the home page, so that when you click on it, it will lead you to another page. For today, let's take to the menu. So we will list the menu items. After that, we will go to our inline text CSS, where you try to add styling to it. The styling, we can style it anyhow we want. So here we just use the simplest styling. We just made the background color black, where when you hover it, it should be blue. We just displayed it to be 14 points or pixels. We no text decoration. You can actually add your own text decoration. We actually floated everything to the left so that it will be arranged. So whatever we did there is what is showing on the website. So let's go back to the website. So whatever we did there is what's showing. Very simple and neat. Please, any question for this? Right. The next time we are going to try to add links link to it. So whereby when you click on this one, it will lead you to another page. We will try and build another pages. So two, 3 more website files. Then we will try so that when you click on about to lead you to about section of the website. So kindly go and try and build similar such as this. So you can add as many items as you want on your navigation menu. Please, any question? Right, if there are no questions, thank you for joining today's class. You'll get the recording very soon.